Are you ready to make your data visually stunning? Today, I'm going to show you how to create graphs and charts in Canva with a full 2025 guide that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. First, open your design in Canva and locate the charts option. You can find it directly in the side panel or go to apps and search for charts to access it. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of chart types, from bar charts and line graphs to pie charts. Pick the one that best suits your data. Next, it's time to add your data. Canva makes it simple. Enter your information directly into the charts data table, import it from a spreadsheet, or even connect it from a data source app. This flexibility ensures your charts are always accurate and up to date. Once your data is in place, the fun part begins. Customization. Adjust colors, fonts, and the specific data you want to highlight. Whether you're emphasizing trends, comparing numbers, or showcasing key insights, Canva gives you all the tools to make your chart not only informative, but visually appealing. And that's it. With just a few steps, you can transform raw numbers into eye-catching graphs and charts that tell a story. Try experimenting with different styles and layouts to find what works best for your design. Start creating today and make your data truly stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.